it's really a pleasure to have with us Genelia D'Souza. Please come, Jeans as I call her, say a few words.
So yeah, thank you Tara so much, and thank you so much for inviting me here. Like Tara said, we're mums today, but we've gone through the entire circle till now, I think, in our initial days. And firstly, I would like to congratulate Baby Dove for having this wonderful line that they are launching today. And I'm glad that they saw me as a mom to come here and be part of their event. Because yes, there is loads of anxieties, and all of us at some point in time get into this whole circle of, being extremely anxious and getting into zones of, am I doing the right thing or am I doing the wrong thing? And you need people who come out there and say that, no, we're with you, we hear you, we understand you, and we will do our best to make this ride much easier, because it's not the easiest in the world. I'm sure Tara agrees with me, and I'm sure you agree with me, and a lot of mums here do. As much as it's glamorous, the kids are always the cutest and no one bothers about the mom 90% of the time. But I think as a new mom, you need a lot of assurance. I've seen the difference between my first son and my second son as a mom. I've seen my difference, I've seen my growth, I've seen that I have felt a lot more comfortable the second time around rather than the first time, because you just figure out there's no point in just being anxious. And yes, thank you, Baby Dove, for coming out with a new line of products that you can trust. 90% of the times you're in a zone where you don't know whether you could trust or whether you can't trust. And one of my first questions to Baby Dove when I met them prior to this was, are you sure there's no, unnecessary chemicals and stuff used in it? And they were like, yeah, we're sure. We'll show you statistics. So I think that's incredible that someone's taking the trouble to come into the market. And all of us love being Indian. All of us love using products available here. We just want it the right way. So lots of moms are going to have this assurance that this is going to be a good brand, and this is the brand that could probably be the future. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Jeans. And now, without much ado, we're going to unveil the products. So Baby Dove is going to take big steps into India through this wonderful window. Come. That was clearly an easier birthing process than I think any of us have been through. The stock arrived with the babies. So this is the amazing Baby Dove. Really looking forward to trying it.
Yeah.
Jeans can try it because she has a baby. Yeah, I'll have to have another one in order to use it on the baby. I think we're sorted. But so now, thank you so much, Prabha. Thank you. And Jeans, we'd love you to to with the stock. Oh, इसके साथ? हाँ? Which one? Thank you. Thank you. And now we're going to have a little panel discussion where we're going to call some other wonderful guests on. Where did we come? Yeah? Any specific seating? Or?